Sando! Go Sando! Go Sando! Go! Yeah!
Alright, morning everyone, welcome to Anzac Day. Day where rugby league takes a backward step. It's one of the biggest days on the rugby league calendar, where a day where we honour, reflect and pay our respects to servicemen and women that are served for our great country that are here or no longer with us. Such a significant day. And you're probably wondering what's going on right now. It's currently quarter to 6 in the morning here, currently in Bondi. We're here for the dawn service at North Bondi. Never been before. Been to a few dawn services in Brisbane, but never been one in Sydney. But I saw some clips last year of Anzac Day, and how packed it was here at North Bondi. So I thought I'd head down to the North Bondi RSL and pay our respects in the heartland, and gear up for a massive day. So hope you guys enjoy it. Just cruising around here in the heartland in Bondi this morning. Such a beautiful dawn service this morning down at the RSL there down North Bondi. It was just amazing to see, all the locals pack out that end of the beach just to pay their respects to the servicemen and women that fought for us for the last 110 years. It's it's incredibly privileged to be a part of that. I think I might be doing that on a regular over the next couple of years. But for now, it's about 9:30, so I'm just chilling around here in Bondi. Then still obviously get kills at 4 o'clock this afternoon, so heading to a pub with the boys in Paddington somewhere. Enjoy the day, get a tour up, then get ready for the main event at 4 o'clock. It's going to be a big day. Always is on Anzac Day. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Haynesy coming back from another video, and today we're here at Allianz Stadium yet again for round 8 of the NRL, Anzac Day between my boys the Sydney Roosters and the St George Illawarra Dragons. The traditional Anzac Day clash, the biggest game on the rugby league calendar in the regular season, outside finals and Origin. This is the biggest day. Packed house, sold out Allianz, doesn't get any bigger. Obviously coming in this game, I don't want to alarm everyone, but if we do lose today, we are going to be sitting last at the end of the round due to the fact that Parramatta had the bye this week, so we will be last if we don't win today. But it's a big game, big changes for the club today as well. Marky Mark in on the wing with Billy Smith returning from suspension. No Dom Young, Angus Crichton back on the edge. Egan Butcher makes his first game since his ACL injury back in last year as well. So it's great to have them boys back. It's a big game. It's always a massive game here on Allianz on Anzac Day. Doesn't get any bigger than this. Hope you guys enjoy it. It's one of my favourite days to honour, pay our respects to the fallen soldiers. It's such a privilege to be part of this on every Anzac Day. Been there every Anzac Day since 2017 now, so it's always great to be a part of it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're new around here, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, follow me on TikTok and Instagram at Haynesy_T. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Just got into the ground, packed house here at Allianz as the Carnival Party begin their Anzac pre-game ceremony. Great to be here. Hope you guys enjoyed. Got the boys, we got the lads, ready to go. Chook's gonna get the job done. Let's go, lads. Go to Chook's.
The St George Illawarra Dragons.
Let's go to Roosters! Come on, boys.
will sound the last post. That will be followed by a moment's silence in the room.
What food did you get?
They went with songs to battle. They were young, straight of limb, true of eye, steady and aglow. They were staunch to the end against odds uncounted. They fell with their faces to the foe. They shall grow not old, as we that are left grow old. Age shall not weary them, nor the years condemn. At the going down of the sun, and in the morning, we will remember them, lest we forget.
Alright, lads.
We love you, Haynesy!
Out, South fans out. Boss, back in the Bondi blue. Back in the Bondi blue. Up there, Chookies. Big game, back in the Bondi blue. One of the best days of the year. So keen to be part of it. Let's go, boys. Come on, boys. Let's go, back fence fans! Back fence fans! Back fence fans! Get into it, Spencer! Go, Bobby! Go, Marky! Go! Go, Teddy! Great ball move, let's go, let's go! Come on, get in the twos! Get in the twos! Get in the twos! Get up, twos! Oh, backwards, fly on! So up, so up! Oh, it's on! Get into it, boys! Get into it! Love the early shift, boys. It was good defense from the Dragons, but that was good. That was better than others. Go. Go, Toots! Go, Toots! Go! Go, go! Yeah! Yeah! Let's go, Come on! Come on! Come on! That's the station standard! We look sharp today! What a ball! What a flick from Toots to Sando! Oh, what a start! Big start! 4-0, 5 minutes in. Big kick, stakes to Sandos. What a start to the game, man. Sando, come on. Clear his own try. On you, Sando! Stakes to Sandos! Big start, 6-0. There we go again. We go again.
Come on.
Jamming out of the line. Club drops it and Farming scores. Saw it coming too. Why is that back one move so stupid?
Try for the Dragons number 5, Sydney Roosters 6, Dragons 4.
Go, Bill! Go, Mark! Go, Mark! Go, yeah! Marky Mark! Marky Mark! Come on! Marky Mark! Back on the steam! Huge, man! Billy Smith back inside across the grain.
That was the tub up from Django. If he touched it, it would have got more.
I don't think there's no instruction at all, though. Endo, low and hard. Low and hard! Saves the Sandos! Drilled that low and hard, 12-6. Look, wasn't convincing whatsoever, but on a day like today, on a big game, you take those strides every day of the week. He's lost it! Go Marky! Go Marky! Go Marky! Go Marky! Go Marky! Go Marky! Great the tackle! Great work, Marky Mark! Get the twos! The twos! Get the twos! Get the twos! Oh my God, he was unmarked. Backwards. That's backwards. No, offside, offside, offside. Right there, Marky Mark. Massive line break from Marky Mark. They forced a penalty to Dragons. 14-6. On your side, no. Great stuff, Sando. 14-6. 7.5 from half time. Been a solid 35 minutes so far. Go, Sando! Oh, hell yeah. Inside ball intercept. It was intercepted. Sando picked it up. And he's off. He's off.
Stakes at Sando's. Stakes at Sando's.
Mate, Gutho is in no man's land. 18-6, baby. Mate, Stakes at Sando's. He's trucking. Stakes at Sando's. He's having a field day. 14 points he scored. 20 points to 6. 20 points to 6. Let's go, lads.
All right, halftime here at Allianz. It is the Roosters 20 leading the Dragons 6 on Anzac Day. We always play our best footy on this day of the year. Bondi Blue always brings the best out of us, and couldn't have asked for a better 40 minutes, you know. I still think we can be better, you know. We're still a little bit scrappy with our ball movement on our goal line, but, you know, from outside, like in between like the 20 and the 20, our ball movement's incredible, you know. Marky Mark getting early space, like he's becoming a rugby league handful today. Billy Smith, when he crosses back in field, creating options, it's been a good first half. Sandon Smith, my boy, Stakes at Sando's, he has been on fire. 2 tries. First one was you know, regulation drawn past, but that second one just bamboozled. Clint Gufferson was always great to see, but, you know, it's 40 minutes down. We've got another 40 minutes to go. It's a big second half ahead. You know, up by 14, still plenty of time in the game. So we need to keep at it and keep doing the job because, you know, it's a massive game as always. So big second half ahead. Hopefully we can put it together and put in the big second half performance as well. So, but yeah, so far. How are you, mate?
Yeah, fuck the Roosters.
Look at the scoreboard, mate. Look at the scoreboard. Yeah, look, 40 minutes, perfect. Best 40 minutes of the season so far. Hopefully we can continue on with that, build on to that, and make it a perfect 80-minute performance. Big second half, let's head back inside. Always great atmosphere on Anzac Day. Sold out, 42,000 in the house. No place you'd rather be right now. Come on, second half. Coach.
What's Sando being called out for? On the court. Oh, You're kidding, right?
Haynesy,
Go, Bill. Go, Bill. Stay in. Yeah, he did well.
yes, good experience.
He was blocking that. He wasn't letting go over the sideline there.
Hugo,
Hey!
he's not even putting it in.
Don't you touch my fluffy! Oh, knock on, go! Go, yeah! Yeah, Bobby! Come on!
Set score 1-1 by James Tedesco goes forward.
Alright, it'll be no shot for that, but Hugo was taken out, so it'll be a penalty to us anyway. Yeah. Bobby's been robbed of a try! Woo-hoo-hoo. It's alright. So 6 more coming up. Look, you know, I'm not a fan of taking 2. We're up by 14. We've got a man down. I know we're trying to milk the clock. Well done. Fluffy kicks the conversion. 22-6, but at the same time, you know, I'd rather see it be more positive than that. Again, we're trying to milk the time off the clock, but it was our first real opportunity in the second half down there, Red. I think we need to take it on there. Up by 16 though, so not the end of the world. Come on! It's Bondi! Out of my! Come on! Fucking on a roll now! Come on! Up the Bondi Blue! Hey, Gutho is such a shit fullback. Where's he going again? Mate, he's all over the place. Gutho just got sent for a side.
Mate, he's so good to play the ball.
Hello, boy, Fluffy! 28-6, baby. Come on, boys, come on. Come on, boys! Come on, boys! Taking the man to be in that happen, unfortunately. Alright.
Straighten it up, Teddy, yes.
That's it, Teddy.
Fucking make it contested with the fuck's sake.
Go Sando! Go Sando! Go Sando! Go Sando! Go! Yeah! Super Ted! Super Teddy! Oh, Jimmy Teddy! Oh yeah, baby! Super Ted smash!
Super Ted.
Super Ted! Super Ted! No. Super Ted! Super Ted! Super Ted! Yes, Sando! Yes, Sando! Sandy! Station Sandos! Come on, boys! Well done, Teddy! 100th game as captain. First try of the year for Super Ted. I just knew he was scoring today. I just knew Teddy was scoring today. Going for goal again. Dragons fans are leaving with 22 minutes to go.
Oh, they're just like Manly fans.
Mate, they're going back to Cogger. Mate, it's a long trip back to the Gong. 36-12.
Another 2 points to his tally for the afternoon, but number 6.
The big thank you to all our members and fans for coming along to Allianz Stadium to support your Sydney Roosters.
Bad luck, boys. Bad luck, boys. $36.18. It's lazy defence, but still 36-18. He's calling for it. He's calling for it. Oh, short side. Oh! That's Teddy's scored! Teddy! No way he scored that. No way. No. Super Ted. Goes from dummy half. Oh! Yes, sir, he is. Savala! Oh boy! That's my boy! That's my boy! That's my fucking boy! That's my fucking boy! Come on! Oh, Foxy Savala! You go! Savala! La 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 la! You go! Oh boy, you go! First in the NRL for Fluffy! Oh my god. I don't mind Fluff! On your Fluffy! 44-18, boy. Back in the winners circle.
Coming down next week.
Magic round, see you Magic round.
See you, brother.
See you, bro.
Roosters 44.
So proud of this team, boys.
He's know how to play the game, they play it hard and fair. He's know how to win the game, they give more than they share. They're great to see in action, these boys will show the way. Put the Roosters on the field, they'll show you how to play. Here come the Roosters, the best we've ever seen. The red, white and Roosters, the eastern suburbs sea. East to win, shout out the cry, let everybody know. If you play this football game, beware the Roosters grow. They're great to see in action, these boys will show the way. Put the Roosters on the field, they'll show you how to play. Here come the Roosters, the best we've ever seen. The red, white and Roosters, the eastern suburbs team. Go the Roosters! Hello, boys! On your Sando! On your Sando! Teddy! On you, Teddy! All right, full time here at Allianz. The Roosters 46, the Dragons 18. Joined by
Unfortunate Dragons fan with us, Julian, mate. Another massacre at Allianz on Anzac Day, mate. Sums up. What are your thoughts?
Disappointed, embarrassed. We haven't won at this stadium since it's redone.
0-4 now.
Yeah.
Bloody hell.
Crazy.
But you know, what do you reckon the Dragons did wrong tonight?
They just couldn't tackle. Gutho didn't. Oh man.
He had some really bad defensive reads,
Yeah.
especially trying to commit the drawn pass. Yeah, they look
right
pretty bad.
I love him. He's still my St Gutho, but look, I don't know. The Dragons, the past 2 Anzacs, they haven't performed at all.
No,
I don't know what's going on.
The
This
occasion
line-
might have got the better of him.
Yeah.
Make sure to check out Julian on TikTok, on all his socials. One of the best Dragon supporters out there. Good to see you, mate.
Good to see you too.
We'll
Love
see you
the
next
support.
week. Kick on to Suncorp.
Yes, sir. Up the Dragons.